Hey guys, Swapnil here back with another video, and in this video I'll be telling you how to apply skins from Skinofy. So this is the packaging, this is how you will get the skin, and for the installation purpose you will need a hair dryer and a microfiber cloth. So to begin with, let us take out our skin from the packet. So this is how we get it. There's a hard cardboard piece and then this is our skin. So we'll keep the skin to the side for now. And before we actually begin applying the skin, we need to make sure that the surface on which we have to apply our skin is clean. So use a microfiber cloth and clean it nicely, clean your phone nicely, and make sure it's free of major dust particles. Also on the sides. So once you think that yes, your phone is clean, we can start with the installation process. So in this case, I'm starting with the camera first, but in some cases you can actually start from the bottom as well by installing the Type C and the Type C port and the speaker ports first. So what I generally do is I fold up half of it and then install. So this is how it has been installed and it looks fine to me. So I'll go ahead and install the bottom part as well. And make sure there are no air bubbles when you install. If you think there are any air bubbles, you can just peel off the skin and start installing again. So I do think this is fine, and we can go ahead with the installation. At this point, if you think there are any problems with the installation, you can actually peel it off and again try to, apply the skin. After this point, we'll have to use our hair dryer because that is what we need for the edges. Make sure it's stuck properly and just rub it using your microfiber cloth. Let's start heating and let's start applying the corners now. Let's do the bottom now. So if you see any air bubbles like these, you can actually rub them off. And yeah, let's go for the sides now. I'll install the corner bits once everything has been installed, and the corner bits would be the last ones. So take your microfiber cloth and rub it across all the edges where we have installed, or just where the bends are actually there. So yeah, I can see that for the most part it has been installed in a good manner. So I can go ahead and start with the corners now. So we'll have to heat the corners first, and then we'll press along the curved part, and then it will actually stick. So there we go. So one corner is done. We'll repeat the same process for all the 4 corners. So once the installation is complete, just make sure you take your microfiber cloth and rub it across all the edges and the corners. If you feel your corners are not smooth, you can actually heat it up, peel it a little bit and stick it back again, and then rub it with your microfiber cloth. So as you can see, probably this is a little rough. So what I'll do is I'll peel it off a little bit, heat it up again, and try to stick it. Yeah. So there you go. This is how it now looks. Once you have properly rubbed it with your microfiber cloth, all the edges will become smooth and it will feel natural. So that's it for the installation. If you are looking for the full review video where I have talked about the website and other things, the link to it would be in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.